Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Canva not loading step by step. If Canva gets stuck on the loading screen, won't open, or doesn't load properly, these solutions can help. Let's get started. First, open Canva and check if the page is loading. If it isn't, start by refreshing the page. Next, try opening Canva in a different web browser. If the issue is browser-specific, Canva may load normally there. You can also open Canva in an incognito or private window to check whether browser extensions or cached data are causing the problem. If the issue continues, clear your browser's cache and cookies. After clearing them, close the browser completely and open it again. Now check your internet connection to make sure it's stable. If you're using browser extensions, temporarily disable them and then try opening Canva again. You should also sign out of your Canva account and then sign back in. If Canva still isn't loading, restart your computer and try opening Canva once more. And that's it. These are the best ways to fix Canva not loading in 2026. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Canva tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.